Hello everyone, and what is up? I'm pretty tired, so I'm just gonna do this voiceover rather chill and relaxed. Today I'll be showing you my robot based on my senior design project, which is the Sumo robot WD-02. But before that, we're gonna put my robot up against the team's robot. The one with the white flag is the robot I designed, which is mostly based on first revisions of both the 3D printed parts and the PCB. Alright, so before we go into more detail into the video, you can visit Team Falcon SDSU and check out all the tabs or menu on there. I made the website and you can learn more about this project if you're interested and how you can probably make one yourself, although we didn't win the competition at all. So here's my design. I made this bot blade in SolidWorks, and I also designed the chassis in SolidWorks based on the measurements from my design based on the team's design, but I wanted to make something unique and in my own taste. So here I'm just editing some of the stuff. I didn't have time to send second revisions for my design because obviously university or college just ended, so most of the facilities are closed. And here are the PCBs that I designed in Eagle, most of which are the first revision except for the bottom PCB, which were at least 3. So here's the actual physical parts of the robot. Basically you just stack them all on top of each other and they all fit perfectly. You're not going to see any soldering work because soldering all of those PCBs took around 4 hours, I would say, because there's service mounts on a few of them. And voila, I'm going to paint the chassis based on a certain character, and if you can guess by the name, you know, pat, hands off for you, man, clap for you, or cookie for you. There it is. I thought it looks okay. It could have been a bit better, but the paint, I guess, just didn't dry that well. And here's a final look at all the pieces. As you see, the sensors are attached and the battery fits snugly. I also used Velcro to have the sensors seated and the battery seated so that upon impact they wouldn't move at all. So as you can see, the bottom blade attached to the bottom PCB and everything just sits into the top, the chassis. And there you see that there's power. But now we need to make a ring, so I just bought some white duct tape and put it on my floor. It works quite well, but as you can see, like, it's hard to make a circle. I know it's very hard to make a circle with tape. I didn't want to buy the wooden one because it's like $40 and then you have to paint it, which is gonna cost more. You know, gotta save money. And now we're gonna do some test demonstrations and all that good stuff. So if you want to find out more information on how I made this project, and if you want to try it yourself, you can visit the website, my website, link below. Alright, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in my next videos, which are going to be more chill and relaxed. Well, I hope to be more exciting and things like that, but I'm going to move on to much better content like educational if you're into technology. Alright, see you next time.